Welcome to West Pine Lofts in St Louis, the perfect student abode where uni life gets a serious upgrade. These stylish 2-bedroom apartments come with a private bathroom and shared kitchen, featuring granite countertops, spacious walk-in closets, a cosy breakfast bar, in-unit facilities for breezy laundry, and convenient trash chutes. Your rent covers all utilities, including speedy internet to keep you connected without extra costs. Relax at the resort-style pool and fire up the grills for a feast. Then recharge in the 24-hour fitness centre or kick back in the clubhouse. For late-night grinds, the study lounge and 24-hour computer lab keep you powered. And bring your furry friends along. This community is pet-friendly. Plus, with controlled access and gated parking available, both you and your ride stay safe. You're only minutes away from St Louis University and Washington University, so getting to campus is effortless. With buses from Taylor or Forest Park, plus the 8th and Pine Metrolink station nearby, transit is seamless too. So unlock upscale student living at West Pine Lofts in St Louis today via amberstudent.com.